Welcome to the second video of this tutorial series, and in this series we are going to make a loading animation. So we have seen in few games that text shows up on the screen as loading and with three dots which gets animated. In many of the games you might have seen that. So today we are going to make that. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all we need to create those text. So loading. Yep, sorry for the mistake. It's loading. Now we will create a clone, another clone, and another clone. 4 clones I will require. And for the first one I will have 1 dot. For the second one I will have 2 dots. For the third one I will have 3 dots, like as you see in the animation. So then I will select all. Here on top I will go and select on create multiple components. So it will create multiple components, and then I will click here that combine as variant. So it will put all the components as one and sets the individual as its variants. So I will click here. So it has set up as its variants. And now I have to put animation over here. So I will click on the first one, go to prototype. This plus sign helps us to create like animation transitions. So I will click over here. I don't think it has worked. Yep. So the animation should happen after delay of 1 millisecond. Smart animate linear 600 milliseconds. After delay of 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 600 millisecond. Again the same thing we will do. And as this animation should continue infinitely, so we have to link the last one with the first one again. And we will do the same thing after delay of 1 millisecond. Yes, so I believe our animation is done. Now suppose I want to realize this animation in an iPhone 13 screen. So I will click over here, select frame. So in the previous video I have shown you how we can create screens. So here I am trying to use the iPhone 13 Pro one. So I have clicked here, the screen has appeared. Just I want to set the background color as black because our text color is white. So yes, our screen color is complete black now. I will drag that component into our screen. I will align it with the screen. Yes, so I guess we are done. Let's see if that works. So I have started the animation. Let's see. Everything turns good. And yes, as we can see, our animation is working. And you might not see that font because I have done it a background black. But yes, you can consider that animation is working. As you can see, first 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots, and again back to the initial state. So that's all for this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe with tutorialsinhand.com. In the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss more on loaders, and I am going to bring up far better loading animations. So stay tuned.